Every single smartphone coming in 2020 is supporting 5G technology. Let that be the upcoming iPhone lineup or any other smartphone. But guys, many people don't know what is this 5G, which are different types of 5G, and in short, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this technology, and when we as a normal consumer will get to use 5G. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be summing up all of your questions and doubts regarding 5G, and after watching today's video you will have a clear idea regarding the next generation of internet. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as the name suggests, it is the 5th generation of internet communication technology. Well guys, it is the successor to the current 4G, and there are 3 types of 5G network. The first is called as the low band 5G, the second one is the mid band 5G, and the third one is the millimeter wave technology. Well guys, first of all, the low band 5G is easily accessible. In many cities in United States, this is already in practice, like companies like AT&T and Verizon are already providing low band 5G. So guys, this technology can cover a larger geographical area but can only give a limited internet speed. So guys, the second type is the mid-band 5G. Well guys, this type can only cover a small geographical area, but it can give you a great internet download and upload speed. And the third one is the best part of 5G, and that is called as the millimeter wave technology. Well guys, as the name suggests, this technology uses the millimeter wave to propagate the signal and the data, so you can get crazy download and upload speed up to 2 Gbps. So guys, the low band 5G uses the same exact frequency like the current 5G, so there is no problem at all in terms of the hardware. But guys, with the second type, which is the mid band 5G, it uses the microwaves. And guys, there are lots of conspiracy theories on the internet that when 5G will come, we as humans will get burning sensation on our skin. Well guys, for a normal consumer, he will easily think that if there is going to be microwave used for the propagation of internet, then our skin will get burning sensation. And guys, this is not the microwave that we will see in our ovens. Well guys, this is on a very small frequency and it will not at all damage any part of our body. So guys, feel free, this is just a conspiracy theory. So guys, earlier it was predicted that 5G will be commonly accessible in United States in 2020. Well, but guys, looking at the current situation, because of COVID-19, all of the efforts made for this cause are reduced significantly. So guys, according to the current analytics, next year in 2021, 5G will be commonly available in United States. So guys, in India, Jio is expected to be the first telecom operator to bring 5G technology. But guys, it will take 2022 or even 2023 for 5G to come in India. Like literally, it will take more than 3 years for India to adapt to 5G technology. So guys, if you are currently planning to buy any of the 5G smartphone, there is no need at all, because guys, even if there will be 5G available, it will be the low band 5G, which is just a little bit better version of the existing 4G. So guys, with the help of today's video, I wanted to make you aware that there are 3 types of 5G network. In United States, the low band 5G is already in practice, whereas in India, it is going to be taking 2 to 3 years for 5G to come. So guys, I hope that today's video was little bit helpful, and guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.